Looking for the easiest way to grant Shopify access? You're in the right place. Let's start by noting that there are two types of access you can grant in Shopify: staff and collaborator. Staff accounts and permissions are designed for your in-house permanent staff who will need regular access. These users will count towards your staff account limits as determined by your plan. Collaborator access, designed for freelancers and temporary collaborators, will not count towards these limits, but requires the user to have a Shopify partner account and request access to your store. Here we'll go over granting Shopify access to a team member using staff accounts. If you're interested in the collaborator process, we have a video linked below. Now to the demo for adding a staff account. Here we have a Shopify store, Hobby Horse Cycles. What I'm going to do is go to Settings, then Users, and I'll click to add a user. Now it's a simple process of adding the team member's email and assigning a role. This role has pre-configured permissions. If you need to edit those, you can go into the Roles tab and make adjustments there. You can also assign a user multiple roles. In this case, for simplicity of the demo, I have not requested two-factor authentication, but I would recommend you to do so. Once you save, an email invite will be sent to your team member. Here I can see the request is pending. Now let's jump to your team member's email. They'll receive an invitation to access the store and be prompted to add their name and a password. After the team member logs in, they can see they've been granted merchandising permissions. As you can see, it is not full access to the store. Now, let's go back to the admin account of the store. A quick refresh shows me the user has accepted the invite. There you have it. That's how you add a user to your Shopify account. If you need more detail, you can check out our article linked below. Thank you. If you're an agency, you probably need to get access to your clients' accounts, such as their social media accounts, their ads accounts, analytics, and so on. Getting the right access to these accounts is usually one of the most painful steps in your customer onboarding. And that's why we built Leadsie. With Leadsie, all you have to do is send your reusable access link to your clients. They log into their accounts, select the accounts to share, and you get the exact access that you requested. Leadsie has helped agencies onboard over 140,000 clients to date. So what are you waiting for? Try us out. Check the description for a link to sign up for a free trial.